Welcome to a video of sound effects. I'm just going to keep quiet and do the sound effects. I got bored, so let's do it. So it's just going to be the dark screen the whole entire time, guys. And I'm just going to play some knockout ones. So we can hear me in the background. The video will probably be like 5 minutes long, so. Whoa, 170,000 Oh wait! There's only sound effects. Alright, in fact no, that's probably going to be the end of the video. In fact no, there's way more sound effects. Probably like 2 minutes, then I'll be off. Well, someone power shot. That guy won. It's very risky power shotting. Alright guys, that's the end of the video of sound effects. Pretty cool.